Hello friends, it is Orejesu and you're welcome to my channel. This is another episode of how to make surface pattern designs using Microsoft Paint. So let's begin. The first thing we're going to do is to make a canvas 500 pixel horizontal and 500 pixel vertical. We click on the view and we tick the rulers. We then move to the curve shape. We go 200 horizontal to 250 vertical. We click down. The next thing we're going to do is to Ctrl A, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. We go to this transparent selection and flip horizontally. We Ctrl A, Ctrl C, Ctrl V and rotate 180 degree. We Ctrl A, Ctrl C, Ctrl V and rotate right 90 degree. The next thing we're going to go to the curve shape. We click here. I will go 150 by 350 and we click. We Ctrl A, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, Ctrl A, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. The next thing we're going to do is to use the line shape. Concerning this one, we're going to draw a straight line, and that's what's going to determine what the design will be. Ctrl Z. Ctrl A, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, Ctrl A, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Then we start filling. And the next thing we're going to do is to open another page of paint. We'll make it 3000 pixel horizontally and 500 pixel vertical. Ctrl A, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, Ctrl V. We Ctrl A, Ctrl C, increase it to 1000 pixel vertically, Ctrl V, Ctrl A, Ctrl C, increase it to 2000 pixels. Increase it to 3000 pixels. Ctrl V. So we are done. So that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, like, share and give a thumbs up. Also kindly subscribe. See you on the next episode.